Get out here, about to go trout fishing. Here's my telescopic pole. See how it goes. Yeah.
What it looks like?
Yeah, let's look right there. It looks pretty still right there. So, big ice storm hit last night. So, we're out here looking. First trout fish, 2019, coming at you right now. Let's see if we get anything. GoPro, stop recording. So this is my first cast in today. Let's see how this goes. What the world? Okay, I haven't fished in a long time.
Did you make a mess already?
Maybe. No, I just didn't cast it good.
You don't have to flip it very hard. There you go.
Okay, let's start. Let's see how this cast goes. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Not already. Yes.
It's gonna get worse.
I got it. I got it this time. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. I see my lure. Maybe something will hit it. Hopefully.
Alright. Move up.
Okay. Now we're gonna move up just a little ways.
Be careful, don't let your lure get hung in the tree limbs.
Okay. I'll get back to you guys when we get there. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
Right here. You can take it right up here.
Okay, so we're almost there. About to start fishing again. Right up here. Here we go. Here we go. Wait, I gotta reel up. Okay, so let's see if I can get anything right here, guys. Okay. So I'm fishing with my dad today. We got a little bit of a problem here, but maybe it'll come out. Yeah, it's coming out. Looks pretty easily to fix. Let's see what's gonna. Wow! Oh no, Rod, you need to stay out while I'm doing some things to you today. Okay, let's see. My lure's fighting the current. Yeah, so I'm throwing a baby minnow today. Well, that's what I'm gonna start with. By the end of it, I might end to something else. But that's just what I'm gonna start with, man. So let's see if I get anything on this cast. So I have a telescoping rod, so if it looks okay. So we're about to move again, just because it's so fast right here. So I'll get back to you guys when we are ready to go. And there's my lure, as you can.
Reel him all the way to the tip if you want to.
I'm just gonna reel him right here.
Or you can hook it like that.
Okay, let's move. GoPro, stop recording. So this is where they stocked some trout. So let's see if we can get anything here, guys. We're almost to this spot. Yeah, we're here. Right here, guys. Let's try this thing. See how I do. See how we do. Hopefully I'll catch a fish in this video for you guys, but we might not, because it's really cold. So yeah, so they might not be really active today. And we might just have to get lucky, but we're gonna move again. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. So we're just moving up a little ways up here to a little bit slower area just to see if we can get anything. There's going to be a lot of moving in this video. Just going to let you know that now. Now we're cooking. Let's try right here. Oh, that's too close, sorry. Oops. I'll reel this thing in and move. At least we got a little bit of moving to go, but not much. No, I think we're here. Here, I'm gonna move up, fish the upper side. Past my dad. See how this goes. If you guys go ice fishing wherever you live, just comment below how many fish you catch, because we can't. Well, we can, but we don't have any bodies of water that my family goes to that we really have enough ice to stand on good. So comment below if you do. No way. I hope that was the rocks, but it felt like a bite. But yank it. So I'm fishing up above my dad. It's just rocks. So this bitty minnow might be in the wrong spot right now, but let's just try it right there. See if I can bring her by anything. Likes to bounce off the rocks. It's pretty clear here today, so this is. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta let out a lot of line. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so we're back. Sorry for the inconvenience. But
Yeah, we gotta get.
we're moving again, so I'll get back to you guys. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. So trying to get to a fishing spot right now, and as you can tell, it's pretty rough getting to it. Wow. Yeah. Okay. So once I get my pole out of these two.
I think you need to go out and come around.
Yeah. Here. So I got in, but now we're moving again. Okay. So I'm moving right here. I'll see what happens, guys. It's pretty slick around here. Okay, I'm gonna try out here too. Let's hope I get one cast in. Uh-oh. He's up in that tree. Wait, I got this. So if I get out. Ah, dang it. I don't know how I did that. But I came free. I moved down in the tree. Wait, I got this. This isn't the best rod to use for this kind of. Goodbye. Looks like my lure is gone.
Sorry.
So
no way to get that one.
We're gonna do some repair really quick, and I'll be back. GoPro, stop recording.
Is she there or up there?
Up there. So I'm making my way up so I don't get hung in a tree again and have to lose it. Let's see, do you guys see it up there? See it up there? See it up there, man? Come up below if you see it. Okay, so we're going. Where should I go? Up a little farther? I'm scared to stand on that wood.
Like somebody's been there. But it looks slick. You can slide all the way down in the water. We don't want that.
Yeah.
What? Where I'm at.
What's it like right here? There's water right there, so this is sketchy. I'll try right here. Okay, so I'm gonna try right here. Wish me luck. Give this video a like.
Fish up there. Don't get hung on that log. Look it up.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna move up some more. So, let's go. Coming on this adventure with me too. You're gonna come on this adventure with me, guys. So, just get ready.
Think you can stand right here and flip it out that way underhanded?
I'm so scared to go right here because I'm afraid there's gonna be water.
You got that? You don't want to try to go over that log. Why don't you come right here?
I'm scared to go right there and go.
Right here?
Oh, right
Go
there?
like this.
Oh, I can do that probably. I thought you I mean, like, stand here. I'm gonna walk up here and then I'll be right back. Brush, 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 and brush. Okay. Yeah, I'll fish here really quick.
Alright.
Oh, get out of here, stick. So this is. Let's wish me luck and I catch a fish. I guess I'm hitting rocks. Feels like rocks. Oh, jeez. Oh, gee whiz. Yeah. And it's done stuck in a tree. Right there. Okay. Sorry, guys. I got it. I got it. Come on, let's see. Come on, fishy fish. Come on, fishy fish. Come on. You know you want it. You know you do. Oh, no, no. I had a fish. Either that was a rock or that was a fish, but I reeled right there before. That felt like a fish, and I think I just lost a fish, guys, because I didn't set the hook. Yeah, number one rule. No, no way. No way. That's 2 times. It might be, it's a good possibility now that it's a rock, but that wasn't even near close to where I was last cast, right, guys? Okay, so I can't flip this thing right now because I'm off-handed. And I need to let it fall. There we go. Oh. Okay, that is sketchy. Yeah. Okay, go, 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 go. I am running right now. I have a hang up. Come on. I got a hang up. Come on. But those trees were creaking pretty bad, and I didn't want to be under it. When it fell, it fell. So I just thought it'd be safest thing to do would be to get out of there and pull on my GoPro. Stop recording. This looks pretty good right here.
I didn't think I was going to get that back. I flipped it right over top of it too.
Ah.
Rock.
Oh, there's a tree limb right there.
Maybe that's some more. We'll keep moving. We'll try to find something.
Okay. You're gonna keep moving, guys, till I try to find something. So I might fish a little off camera. Peace. Peace out. Right now. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, guys, I'm about to skip this rock right here. See how many skips I can get. I'm gonna try one more. Two more. Two more, guys. Ah, I'm not doing too good, guys. Not doing too good today. It's probably because I'm holding a fishing pole. Let me set down my fishing pole, guys. This thing's on. There we go. You guys like that? You like it? Well, that'll be a video too. Ah! Oh, that's an easy one to get out. There we go, guys. Dang, guys. GoPro, stop recording. Guys, look at all that foam right there in that corner. Look at all the foam in the corner right there. Look at all that foam over there. I know where I casted my lure. There's a lot of foam. GoPro, stop recording. I know where, I see a hole over here. It's just getting to it is the hard part. Yeah, you got pretty close to the hole I'm trying to get to. Oh, let's go, right off the rock. Come on. Down. And yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's what we saw. That thing down to the bottom everywhere. Has it really? Yeah. Where is it? I don't know how. You get nothing? Yeah. I caught dinner on that creek. I didn't get nothing. My cousin, he went all the way up to the other bridge. I'll be the stopper. I don't know. Good, Mike?
No.
Nope. All right. Like I said, I just checked the bottom in 2 hours.
No kidding. That's unusual if you don't get that wet. Yeah, I don't know. I thought for sure we'd walk up here and get one between here and there, but nothing. Maybe you'll have better luck.
Can you fish clean up a pond now? I know they got the gate up.
Gate closed the other day.
I know, but can't you park up there at the parking lot and walk down?
Probably.
I mean,
Probably could, but I don't know if they stopped it now.
yeah, they stopped it last week.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that's where we need to be, throwing this
I know.
bait, boy.
Okay.
I was going to go, but it's too late now.
What time is it?
4.
Oh, yeah. We ain't got time to go there either.
Oh,
It'll be 4:30 before you get there, and it gets dark about 10 minutes after 5 or something.
Yeah.
But what's the trip down there?
We're going to walk on up to the other bridge and throw these things around a little bit. See what happens.
Well, we probably went clean up the pond. At least got caught the fish.
Yeah, I thought for sure we'd catch some here.
Yeah, they stopped cleaning up, I think, Wednesday or Thursday.
Huh. Well,
But they got the gate closed. But,
yeah.
I've had one people said you can't be on National Forest right now. And then I've had other people said you park up there at the back, upper parking lot and walk down.
I bet you can. Ain't nobody going to say a thing. Walk all the way up to the other bridge. Good luck to you.
Daddy,
Hey,
I have a question.
you what?
I have a question.
What's that? What's the question?
Are we crossing right here? In the water?
I can't remember if that path goes around or not. We're just going right there. Nate, man.
Where?
We're just going right up there.
I don't know if that path goes around through there or not.
I don't either. Let's try it. Come on.
Okay. Daddy, I have a question.
What's the question?
What if you camped out by a creek one time?
Yeah, we can do that.
One week I'm out of school or something, come up here, camp.
Yeah.
Go fishing in the morning, bring some stuff with us to eat. Good to go. We have to come like the day after they stocked it though.
Yeah.
GoPro, start recording. Okay guys, so we're at our final spot. Probably won't get anything today. So, we're gonna see what happens though. How cold do you think the water really is?
Huh?
How cold do you think the water really is?
Pretty daggone cold. But it ain't freezing, it would be freezing, bro.
Alright. Okay, we're headed up to this bridge. So we've gone all the way from one bridge to the other. Let's see how up here it is. Well, it is scaring me.
See any?
Nope.
I don't see anything. See nothing, buddy. You see anything?
No. GoPro, stop recording. So I got in the water now, so let's hope something comes out of this. We met some more fishermen out here. Same thing we're doing, looking for trout. I walked up here too, didn't see anything. So it's not very promising for us. We're gonna get anything, but I mean, you never know. Sometimes people just miss them. So they look pretty good, but they're pretty good fishermen. So see if we can get anything. It's cold in this water, guys. You can't feel it with me, but it is cold. Wait, hold. No, go. My reel came off. I'm gonna be hung. Ooh, whew. I'm gonna move down just a little bit. very slowly. I don't want to lose this GoPro to this water. That would be really bad. Hey, Daddy, I might move up just a little ways past that tree and try to fish right there. I'm gonna go really slow. Yeah. So you hear all that crackling? That's our boots. It's our boots in this ice we got here today. Wow. Oh, that's just great. Okay. I'm gonna try to catch a fish right here, guys. I saw something in the water right here where I am. Like, just like a piece of something. You probably saw it too. It looked like it had like kind of looked like a fish. Oh, jeez. That really ain't good. Hey! So, yeah. We got a problem now. My lure, it was just stuck in a tree. And I got it out, guys. I know, I'm the greatest ever. I'm the greatest ever. You just go ahead and tell me that in the comment section, and I'll like your comment. Like and subscribe, so I can get you a fish next time. Guys, and if I don't, you'll get a free donut in your mail. Not lying, actually. Just kidding. I will. I'm about to jump out the water really quick. Move down. I might hop back in. My dad isn't getting in today. Doesn't want to. I mean, I don't blame him. It's pretty cold up in there. But I just wanted to see what it's like. I mean, I didn't do any better than him. We both still have 0 fish. We will have bass videos for you guys, Fortnite videos for you guys. Much more content coming. Sledding, maybe, if in my backyard, maybe, I don't know, probably not sledding, but, I mean, maybe, just maybe a little bit of snow tubing, because I'm about to do that next week. I might have a bowling video or two, because I am in a bowling league, so, maybe some football. Or I'll just probably give you the channel to see my football games and my school's basketball games. It's just unbelievable today. They might have only stocked to the bottom part of the creek, and this is a really big creek, so. Oh jeez. Man, gotta tighten this. I don't want it to fly at me. There we go. Yeah, almost. So I'm just gonna move down a little bit more. We're about to leave. I'll get back to you and get back to the truck. And yeah, that's about it. This is unbelievable, but they probably just stocked the bottom, and that's why we aren't seeing any bites. This is normally a good bait, go-to bait right here that I'm throwing, so we're kind of clueless. Only other thing we can throw right now is power bait. Oh, that's a deep step. Okay. I just wanted to kind of get a little bit. No. Oh, wait, hold up. What? Did I just break it? What just happened? Is it on good? There we go. This is a first day out with this rod. I just got it today. So, I'm saying right now, I might move up under the bridge really quick. Try that. Ugh. We're gonna try right here. We're just gonna try. Hope we luckily get it to run right there and run across one. It's pretty clear we don't see any, but that don't mean nothing. So we might fish a little on our way back. Oh, this lure is destroyed now. I just threw it right into the wall. I hope I don't cross you. I might try a quick flip. This would not be my one and only trout video. We might go to other places, just not today. Yeah. Can I get one cast really quick? Trying to get a cast in a place that's really hard to get a cast to. Just yes, it was close enough. Okay. This is about it. Guys, I might get one more cast up on the bridge. Then we are done. Headed back. Probably will make a Fortnite video with my cousin today. Other than that, we're good. Wish me luck right now. Right now, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Can I get one more? Oh.
I'll stop. I'm going to see if I can find us another place to stop and try fishing.
Okay. GoPro, stop recording. So, this is going to be the end of the video, guys.